Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Brood 8 will emerge in 2019 in Pennsylvania, Ohio and West Virginia. Brood 8 will next emerge in 2036. Periodical cicada Brood 8 has emerged in 2019 in western Pennsylvania, eastern Ohio, and the tip of the northern panhandle of West Virginia, as well as Oklahoma, which was unexpected. 26 January 2019.
Take our lead.
Each year, warm weather in North America brings the familiar buzzing and clicking of cicadas that have surfaced from their underground burrows in search of mates. Once every decade or so, though, that cacophony turns deafening as millions of the winged insects emerge at once in dense throngs. 3 June 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.